Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to work on the listing view of the filament where we in the previous video added the settings details. So here you can see we are displaying all the information right here, but we can remove the information. Like literally there are many, like these are a lot of information, so I'm going to remove some of the information. We don't need the links here. Let's put the email. Pronouns is going to be removed. Location is fine, and created it and updated it. Let's remove those as well. Let's put the created it and remove only the updated it, and I think these are fine. So I'm going to save this and come to the dashboard and refresh the page, and let's see if this is looking good. So you can see we don't have to scroll to the right side to view the details, and now we can look to this. Now later on we can add like view button, so that we will be able to see all the details, but we can do that from the edit button as well. So now let's check the other things like the projects images and other models that we have. So let's check out the images of the images thing. So if I go to the images, let's check the website. So for the images, not the website, the migration for that. So if I come here to the images model, you can see we have the image URL and title. So um, so the URL is gonna be like a few photo in like a screenshot of your GitHub projects or anything you worked on and you want to share on your portfolio. Then you can put the link, and if someone clicks on that link, it's gonna redirect to that fetch. Then of course that fetch is not available in this template. This is like some kind of images from the Instagram. So there's something that we are gonna add like extra to this. So now let's see the images section. So let's create an image. We will have these things. So if I go to the image resource, we will find those information. So here we have all of them as text inputs, but this is gonna be file upload and require the max that is not required. Here is gonna be like image. So this is the image, and we can pass the maximum length and stuff like that. And this is going to be the URL. We have a URL. So then the title, yeah, this is going to be the title. For the option for the image, we can put that in the alt feed, and we can, like, if you hover over this, we can show that in the title as well. So let's try this out. The image should be column span 2, columns column span 2. So it's gonna like display in the overall 2 columns. So now let's try it and see if this works. So I'm gonna let's go to images. Let's put this one. URL is gonna be, let's say, the localhost, and let's say my image. Create, where is the URL? Let's create that and see if that works. So that has been successfully created, and why this is not loading? If I refresh the page, inspect, let's see, check the console, this is the image file. Open that in a new tab, storage slash this image. Let's see if this image exists in the root directory. Also we can pass one thing I forgot to mention. We have a method for storing that specific image in a specific directory. So let's check the image if it exists in the storage. So that's gonna be cool. I guess these are the one that we selected, right? This is the GEPTA, this is the GEPTA, and this is the PNG file. So you can see that is right here in the public folder. Have we linked these folders? Let's see. Let's run the php artisan storage link command. Okay, now they are linked, so this should be working now. Okay, so that works. So now let's go to the projects, and for that let's check the migration project, create projects. We have title, image, url, keywords, and we have descriptions. So for the keywords, we may put that in comma separated, and then we can operate on that on the client side when we get when we are getting or getting those. So I'm gonna go to the, also let's check this thing, the table for this. So image, we have image column, and this is gonna be a rounded image. So we can pass the width and height. So let's say width is gonna be 50%, I guess, and then make it rounded. Now let's remove the updated, we don't need that. Let's go to the projects resource. Again, we have an image here, so I'm going to remove the maximum length. This is going to be let's say, should I call it this is image, but first it should be file upload, and then it's going to be image, and we can pass the other fields if you want. Then we have a URL. This is going to be a link to the project, and this is the title and keyword. And for this, I'm going to put the label, so the user will know that you have to put the keywords in comma separation. So separated by comma. Then we have description. This is going to be the text area. That's absolutely fine, but we have to make it like column 2 maybe, like, no, the image should be column 2. Okay. Column span, column span is 2, and column span, let's put that 2 for the text area as well. So it's gonna be like looking cool, otherwise maybe not as good. So let's check that by clicking on the new project. Let's add a new project. So we have the title. Let's put the title also column 2, so like this. And now I'm refresh, it's gonna be okay. So let's use fake filler to fill the stuff. I'm gonna use that here in the descriptions, and let's check. Let's select one image for this. So if I come here, project review, we have some projects. So let's select this one, and once this is uploaded, then we are gonna create that. Okay, so that's been created. Let's view that, and till that I'm going to check the this table structure. I'm going to remove the updated, no needs for the keyword, no need for the description, just the image. Image is also, let's put that, let's say this is the image column, and this is rounded. Let's just put the width. What is the width? No, it's not even there, so let's put width 100 and refresh the page. We already have edit button, so we don't need to. Let's image is fine, I guess. If I click on that, it's gonna show the details. So now let's move on to the tasks, text stock actually. So I'm gonna create an item and I'm gonna check the resource as well. So here we have the name URL. Let's put the URL as a URL for validation. Then we have image. Image is file upload thing, and then it's a image, and remove this thing, and column span is 2, and let's refresh so that we have the input file image thing, and till that we can check the table. So let's remove the updated it, remove the, I think these are fine. So let's spell it. I'm going to use back further. Let's put this image, and I'm going to create this once the file has been uploaded. So create it, and now let's view that right here. That's looking good. Let's check the what we added, projects, I guess. So let's check the projects. We added the text talk. This one does not looks good. Image, this is the image column. Everything else I guess looks good. Let's refresh, and yeah, I guess this is also totally fine. Now what else we have? So in the next video we are going to add these three. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.